Brothers and sisters, relatives, friends and family, Musawo Elias, I'm here with a simple package of the home-based care to this cough that is becoming rampant. Clients are storming our health facilities with a chief complaint of cough. Medical workers, let's support these clients to go home and at least help themselves boost their body's immunity to fight and defend themselves to this cough that is becoming rampant. Citizens, let's do the following. Like we did for COVID. We took a lot of water, boiled water. We took a lot of fruits. We did the steaming. We did the exercises. We put on our masks. So why are we forgetting to do that? And cough is the most sign that we see and say, or that you present, and if we test, confirm COVID. So cough is a cardinal sign of COVID. So if we did the things for COVID, what are we waiting for? What can we do them for the cough? 1. Fluids. When we talk of fluids, most of you go home nemukora obusera, and obusera is not helping us more because the obusera, the body picks it as food. It picks a little water in it and then the other nutrients. And more so, the busera is one of the things that bring cough to us because it has that yeast. Local languages, some call it amamia, others call it entezo. You put in the what to make busera sweet. That irritation it leaves on the throat, it causes what? The end result of it, I will not go into the details on what inflammation, what, but the end result of that irritation is the cough that we see. So fluids, we need water. On a normal day, an individual should take a minimum of 3 liters. But this time, we are fighting against a serious thing. Let us increase to 5. If you can afford 10, take. Don't mind, you take. Water has no problem. It nourishes the body, it does what? All the things. Take. 92% component of the blood that we have in our body is water. So take too much water. Then, this water, in the morning when there is coldness, in the afternoon in the evening when there is coldness, or if the rain falls, there is coldness. So let us, this time warm, take warm water. Then 2, the fruits. Whatever you find a fruit, just take. Take as plenty as it should be. Because we give you vitamin C in the treatment that we are giving for cough. So why don't we take it naturally? Because this is manufactured. We don't know the components that are added in. But now we have the natural one. Take fruits as you can. Do some simple exercises. If you can afford running, run. If you can afford rope skipping, this skipping the rope, skip it. You can do the squat, the squat. Simple exercises to make your body warm, to warm up the body. We want the body to warm up and sweat after the exercises. Now, if you have this cough that is not explained what you fear, at least mask up. We are fighting with you clients when you come in our facilities without a mask. We are fighting with you. Put on a mask as well. I may not say isolate yourself, because most of the isolations are not affordable. You are with your children, you are what, in your family. There is no how you can isolate. But if you fight first with water, fruits, some exercises, then you do the steaming. But the steaming, you people, during COVID, some people were almost dying because of the steam. You enter the steam for more than 10 minutes. No, that is wrong. You need to give the chance to the lungs to have some exchange of fresh air. Don't need it to exchange the warm. No. Enter the steam for 1 to 5 minutes. Get out. Breathe for the next 1 to 5 minutes. Then go back to the steam. Don't oversteam more than to 20. No, that will kill you. Then, after that, go for drugs. Don't get the cough today, then tomorrow you want the drugs. No, first support the body to fight the cough. Then later, take the drugs. Because these drugs are not going to remove what is bringing the cough. The drug, no drug that is going to remove dust from your respiratory system. Tell you daggala erijjamu enfuufu, but water can nourish the body, water the body. If you can relate it to a seedling that has been watered, that has been irrigated, the way how it looks like, transform that look to the body that you have irrigated or that you have rehydrated. So please, let us focus on home-based care than the care we receive from the health centers or health facilities. I end by reminding you of what we need to do. Too much fluids, fruits, exercises, steaming, then lastly, the drugs. The drugs should come last. Thank you so much. If we to practice the home-based care, I'm sure we shall fight all these minor cases that we run to the facilities to look for drugs. May God bless you.